Well, some people sent me messages and said, could you please show us the harmonica you currently play? And I thought you might be interested in that. It's an unusual instrument. It's probably, you've never seen one like this before. It starts off, the body is a Seydel Volcany, which is an all brass instrument with stainless steel reeds. And so that's the guts of it, you know. And then it has Kettlewell Resonant Covers that were made by Russ Camerer and designed by Russ. And they have a beautiful lip grab here for your hand and kind of a nice texture. And the inside channels here behind are shaped in an acoustically valid shape, which evokes half of a trumpet. So it improves your grip on the instrument. It makes it much larger than a stock harp. And it projects sound better and makes the tone richer. It also happens to have an unusual mouthpiece on it. That's not the stock mouthpiece. That's off a Seydel Saxony, and I like it because it sits in my mouth more than the half moon, and it has a handmade ERGO button, and of course the Kettlewell Frictionless mouthpiece slider, which provides for easy movement to new note hole positions and keeps the harp a little drier too. Let's go do a sound test, okay? And then we'll talk a little bit more. So we'll come over here and kind of flip this around like this, and we'll give you a little sound test. I play with a Bulletini microphone with a volume control on a hard wire from Greg Hoyman. I think you can hear it's quite sweet sounding. So that's what it sounds like through an amp, and here's what it sounds like acoustically. Okay, that's the sound test. And now we'll come back and just talk for a minute more here. I play, now you might want a demo of like with the slider. A little different tone. Interesting device. I play the Seydels because I think that, superb service, great company, German built harmonica, German designed harmonica, great parts availability. This instrument has a lovely tone. That's not to negative. I've customized and played a lot of Suzukis, including the Fabulous and the Sirius and the SCX, and the Grégoire Marais. I've really played them all the Honers. I think they're all nice instruments and sound pretty good. And on the low end, I kind of like East Top. For the money, their EAP is airtight. And not that I think it has optimal tone in a recording studio, but other than that, I think it's a nice harp for sure, especially when you can buy them for $100 from AliExpress. Anyway, so that's what I play. Hope you enjoyed it.